Hello everyone, welcome back to MixBuzz TV, mixing and mastering tutorials on YouTube. With this video, I want to start a short series on modern vocal production and mixing. And I choose this song because the vocal effects are pretty intricate and the routing is complex, the effects are complex, there's a lot of background vocals and bits and pieces. So you will see when we go in details how much work there is behind this vocal. And I also picked this mix in particular because is a blend of different genres. There's a metal backbone in the instrument part, and the vocal is like hip-hop rap-ish, but is very aggressive. So I feel like I can embrace different genre using this song. Let me play you the track so you get the idea of what we're talking about.
La conclusione, cerchi l'amore, da me trovi solo una buona dose di rancore. Ascolta la mia traccia, non ti riconosci, se poi allo specchio ti guardi in faccia, lasciami la rima. Niente è più come prima, pompa nel sugo e stamina, il fire è il nome della band che ti rovina. Non ce l'ho più l'autostima e sono un corpo morto che per la strada ancora cammina. Mi serve un sacco di soldi, ne voglio troppi, visto che senza quelli in questo mondo non campi. Ora scampi o scoppi, se non scappi da qua e loro sta merda la chiamano libertà. Tutto questo c'è il peggio di me stesso, il peggio che ti mostro adesso, resto solo in volo prima del decesso.
Okay, so this is just to give you an overall idea. There's a couple of verses, 3 choruses, and a special bridge here.
Ci avete rotto il cazzo, vogliamo le bombe nell'impianto, il sangue sul cemento, sento solo il pianto di stiri e bettoni, sento solo il lamento della povera gente che campa qua fuori.
Okay, so very different styles, very different kind of effects. First thing though, let me tell you that the mix is not exactly like the released song because I don't have on the vocal out bus where all the vocals come out an hardware insert that I had in studio, which is the Elysia Expressor compressor, and I don't have it here, so it's bypassed, but I tried to match the original final release as close as I could. So let's dive in. Let me mute the music for now and let's hear just the vocal.
La conclusione, cerchi l'amore, da me trovi solo una buona dose di rancore. Ascolta la mia traccia, non ti riconosci, se poi allo specchio ti guardi in faccia, lasciami la rima. Niente è più come prima, pompa nel sub e stamina, il fire è il nome della band che ti rovina. Non ce l'ho più l'autostima e sono un corpo morto che per la strada ancora cammina. Mi serve un sacco di soldi, ne voglio troppi, visto che senza quelli in questo mondo non campi. Ora scampi o scoppi, se non scappi da qua e loro sta merda la chiamano libertà. Dietro tutto questo c'è il peggio di me stesso, il peggio che ti mostro adesso, resto solo in volo prima del decesso.
Okay, so the stadium choir in the chorus, I have a video specifically on that, so we're not gonna talk about that here. Let's start with how many actual audio tracks we have. We have a main lead vocal, then we have the chorus lead vocal, and then we have this one here, which is just sent to effects, is not going to any output. You're not hearing this one. Then we have the green one, which is a double, and then the second green one, which is another double for different parts. Then we have the blue one, which is the special bridge. Then we have another one, which is sent only for delays, for the throw delay. We're gonna see that later. And then we have this pink one, which is the stutters, and I'm gonna show you how I did that too. Then let's see the effect bus. We have a Vox double stereo bus, a Vox room, a throw delay, a chorus delay, and another chorus delay. Okay? And then we have the stadium choir, but as I said, we're not taking care of that. So these are all the tracks, audio tracks and effect buses. And now we're gonna go in details on each and every one, and I'll show you what did I do. Okay, so let's start with the main lead vocal, which is this one. Okay, and let's see what we have. we have an SSL E channel with low pass and high pass filter, no EQ, and some compression going on. Let's hear.
La conclusione, cerchi l'amore, da me trovi solo una buona dose di rancore.
Okay, something like 6 dB of compression going on. The second plugin is the Mag EQ, and you see I have just a touch 0.5 at 2.k, and I'm cutting something around 160, and I have this air band set at 20 hertz, and this is very nice. I like the air band of the Mag EQ a lot. Then we have the Pro DS, a de-esser. So let's hear what it's doing.
La conclusione, cerchi l'amore, da me trovi solo una buona dose di rancore. Ascolta la mia traccia, non ti riconosci, se poi allo specchio ti guardi in faccia, lasciami la...
Okay, so this is taking care of S's and harsh parts of the vocal. And then this vocal is going to the vocal out bus. Okay, its output is routed directly to the vocal out, on which I have another SSL just for the filters, high pass and low pass. Then an API EQ just for a 2 dB boost at 3K. The Elysia Music Q for another resonant low cut in this case. And then I had originally here my Expressor hardware insert, which I don't have right now. And then the H delay on the whole vocal bus. And lastly, a VEQ4 with just another high pass filter here at 47 and a 3 dB boost in bell mode at 100 hertz. Okay? So let's hear how the vocals sound without any of this.
La conclusione, cerchi l'amore, da me trovi solo una buona dose di rancore. Ascolta la mia traccia.
Let's start adding things.
La conclusione, cerchi l'amore, da me trovi solo una buona dose di rancore. Ascolta la mia traccia, non ti riconosci, se poi allo specchio ti guardi in faccia, lasciami la rima. Niente è più come prima, pompa nel sub e stamina, il fire è il nome della band che ti rovina. Non ce l'ho più l'autostima e sono...
Okay, so this is all the processing on our lead vocal track for the inserts direct, okay, on the track. So this vocal track goes then to 4 buses, all pre-fader, and it goes to Vox Room, throw delay, chorus delay, and this bus 125, which we used to do the stadium choir. You can check the other video out about that. The Vox Room bus is always open, it's not automated, but the throw delay and the chorus delay, I expanded the view down here so you can see my automation. The first one is the throw delay, and as you can see, I'm sending words here and there. That's the purpose of the throw delay. And then the chorus delay down here, which is only on the choruses, okay? Let's try to solo the effects. So we have the Vox Room, throw delay, and chorus delay. Okay, let's go to the chorus. Okay. I know it's gonna be a little complicated to follow all the routing, but let's try it, okay? So the Vox Room is the main reverb, is always open. What we have is an SSL with some EQ, you can see the settings, and filters, no compression. Then we have Deverb, stock reverb from Pro Tools, you can see the settings. And then we have this expander, and it sounds like this. Let's hear it with the original lead vocal on.
Non ti riconosci se poi allo specchio ti guardi in faccia, allacciami la rima. Niente è più come prima, pompa nel sub e stamina. Il fire è il nome della band che ti rovina. Non ce l'ho più l'autostima e sono un corpo morto che per la strada ancora cammina.
Okay, so a little space behind the vocal. Then we have the throw delay. We have an H delay. You can see the settings. Another deverb, because I usually like to put a little bit of reverb on delays on the repeats, not to have them in the same space the vocal is. As you can see, I'm around 50% dry wet with this. And then a filter gate, just to make the delay a little more interesting. Okay, let's hear what this does.
Non ti riconosci se poi allo specchio ti guardi in faccia, allacciami la rima. Niente è più come prima, pompa nel sub e stamina. Il fire è il nome della band che ti rovina. Non ce l'ho più l'autostima e sono...
Okay, let's hear just the delay.
Allacciami la rima. Il nome della band che ti rovina.
Okay.
Cammina.
So I'm throwing words at the delay, okay? That's why it's called throw delay. And I like them a little dirty, especially for this genre. I like some color on the delays, and especially when we have more than one, I want them to sound different. And the filter gate is actually pretty nice, a pretty nice plugin to use to make them a little more interesting, give them a rhythmic pattern, not just, a regular 18 notes or 16 notes repeats.